In today's video, I'm going to show you how you guys can change the pose of your AI influencer and get your desired pose. So without any further delay, let's get started. For those who don't know how to generate your AI influencer, first check out my previous video on the AI influencer that you will get in the I button. We're going to use this Google Colab notebook that is based on the Stable Diffusion's web UI called Focus. Google Colab Notebook is a cloud-based service. That means you don't need any GPU for that. You can even do this thing on your mobile phone. So I will leave the link in the description below. You can click on that, and then you will have this interface in front of you. So first of all, you guys have to click on this Connect button. So if you're using the Google Colab Notebook for the first time, you might not see this Connect button. So for that, you just have to go to this Runtime and select Change. Runtime from here, select the default GPU, and now hit the Save button. And again, click on this Connect button. This will be connected to your GPU. Again, you don't need any GPU for that. This is all cloud-based. So, once it's connected, you just have to click on this Play button, and now this will start executing this code. This process can take some time, and for those who already watched my previous video on the AI influencer, you can skip this part. Okay, so after all of this processing, you will have this Gradio link here. So you can simply click on that, and now you will be redirected to its web interface. So here we have the web interface. You have the space to enter the prompt. Then we have the input image option, and we also have the advanced options. So in the advanced options, you can control the aspect ratio, you can control the quality of your image, and then we can also select the number of images, and you have the space to enter the negative prompt in it. And in the style section, you can select all of these styles. But if you want to get realistic results, I would prefer you to use the default settings. Now in the prompt section, simply describe the appearance of your AI model. So I'm going to type like a beautiful woman with pink hair roots slightly faded, Spanish, influencer model, brown eyes, no makeup, waist up shot, Instagram. So I will use this prompt. You can go as descriptive as you want. So I'm going to click on this Generate button, and now you can see it's generating the images in real time just like Midjourney. Okay, so here we have our images. You can select any one of them. All of these are realistic. So let's say I'm going to go with this one. Now simply click here and download the image that you like. So I'm going to save this to my computer. Now the next step is to click on this input image box, and you will have these options here and now. Simply select the image prompt and simply go down and click on these advanced options. Now you have to upload the image that we have recently generated. So simply select your image and now select the face swap option. Right now, just move the slider to maximum, and in the second box, you have to upload the image that you want the influencer to pose like. So for example, I'm going to upload this image, and now switch it to the Pyra Canny option in the prompt section. I will keep this part of the prompt, and I will add a few more details, like wearing a summer dress. And now hit Generate, and now you can see it. Already started to match the pose of that lady, and now we have two images in front of us. So this is the first image. You can see she is now matching the pose of that lady. And this is the second image that I think is good. So this is an influencer that we have finalized, and now she is matching the pose of this lady. I hope you get the idea. Now let's try this thing with different environments and different poses. So this time I'm going to upload another image. Let's say I want her to pose like this lady, right? She's sitting on the ground, one hand on her knee. And in the prompt section, I'm going to type sitting on the ground with one hand on her knee and the other on the ground. Okay? So these are the output images. And now you can see she's exactly posing like her. And it even copied the dress of that lady. Now let's try the last image. So I'm going to use this image as a reference pose and hit Generate. So these are the output images, and now she's exactly looking like her. And her hair color is also matching. So that's how you guys can create your own AI influencer, and even change the pose of your AI influencer. And this Google Colab notebook is free to use. You don't need any GPU for that. The link is in the description below. Go ahead and play around with it. So that's it from this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you found something helpful, do give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.